If you want an upscale open sandwich, well, this one is for you. It has all the Mediterranean flavours. It has lots of Catalan-like influence in there. It's simply pan and tomacat with like an olive tapenade, a great Italian Scamorza cheese, which is smoked, which actually gives like an extra type of like fatty taste in there, which is just like mind-blowing. It isn't a vegan recipe, but it's a vegetarian one, and it's very, very quick and simple to execute. You can do it obviously without the cheese if you're a vegan, or actually use some vegan cheese. But anyway, like, enjoy, and subscribe.